Describe a time when you forgot something important. Now, you should focus the cue card. Describe a time when you forgot something important. This is in the past tense. You should say when it happened, past, what you forgot, the thing you forgot, what was the result of your forgetting, and why it was important. So, you now have to speak on this topic for 1 to 2 minutes. Please, you can start.
Well, in this machinery life, every person don't have time to collect each and everything at time. We forgot many things at home. Recently, I forgot my document at home when I was applying for my master's at my favorite university. When I was collecting my documents, at that time I received my friend call. I was talking with him and moved towards a terrace. When I came back in my room, I forgot my document at my side table. Next morning when I moved to the university for filling my admission form, then I realized I forgot all my documents. Then I called my mother to find my document at my home, but she didn't receive my call due to silent of phone. Then I came back at home. Okay.
All right, you spoke for 1 minute 6 seconds and you need to focus your fluency, number one.
Okay.
Number two, you need to add some more information.
Okay.
Because if you speak less than a minute, you'll be penalized.
Okay.
I found some grammatical mistakes. You said machine life.
Machinery.
It is mechanical life,
Mechanical.
not even machinery life.
Okay.
And then you said to forgot. After to, we never say forgot, to forget. Then you said my friend call. It was my friend's call, apostrophe S. Then you said I realize I forgot. It should have been I realized that I had forgotten my documents, past perfect tense. And then there were some pauses. So for a start it's good, but you need to speak more and focus these grammatical mistakes. Now we move on to speaking part 3. What kinds of things do people forget easily?
I think there are many things which people forget easily, like keys, documents, books,
Okay.
or bags, etc.
All right, this is a very short answer. If you want to talk about keys, documents, etc., you should say first of all keys. People generally forget their keys and they just misplace them here and there. Secondly, people also forget their important documents sometime. You need to elaborate further because your answer is really too short for part 3.
Okay.
Short answers means more questions. Examiners will ask you more questions. So if you give short answers, that means more questions.
Okay.
What kinds of people are more forgetful?
I think people are aged. People who have more age have a problem in memorizing. They forget things where they place it and always asking for the thing where it is.
How can people improve their memory?
It can be improved by eating almonds, which is good for your health of the brain. By eating this, you can feel fresh and remember the thing easily.
What do you think of people using calendars?
Calendars are very important for us. It memorizes you about the significant occasion.
They tell you
They tell you.
or they guide you about significant occasions.
Like birthdays, meetings, any marriage ceremonies, etc.
All right. For speaking part 3, your answers are short.
Yes.
For speaking part 2, you spoke for 1 minute. So you should speak a little extra, at
Yeah.
least 1 minute 30 seconds. And then there are grammatical mistakes. So at present, looking at your answers and your performance, I'll give you a band score 5.5. But this is only for now.
Yes.
You can easily achieve 6 band with a little extra effort and then beyond that. So you need to focus grammatical mistakes and then you have to see in part 3, your answers should be longer than they are now, right?
Okay.
Okay, thank you. All the best.
Thank you.